It's something that more and more people are comfortable talking about these days, their mental health. And luckily, there are services available that can help. Courtney Huey is the clinical director and therapist at Ellie Mental Health. And welcome to the show.
Thank you. Excited to be here.
And tell us about Ellie Mental Health and how it may be different than other providers.
Yeah, so 6 of our core values are authenticity, acceptance, compassion, creativity, determination, and humor. I know a lot of people kind of do like a head turn when I say humor, but it's so important to be able to have someone you can sit across from and relate to. And sometimes that means that we need to laugh together, right? So instead of feeling like therapy needs to be a place where we need to sit and cry and go through our childhood traumas, we don't have to do that necessarily. Sometimes we can just sit across from a person and really be able to talk naturally, freely, without judgment, and be able to laugh sometimes.
Yeah, and sometimes that probably helps to open people up a little bit more, right? When you can kind of laugh at stuff, and you probably just meet them where they are in that one day, right?
Yes, absolutely.
What can someone expect if they come into Ellie Mental Health?
Yeah, so if you haven't seen our facility, Google it right now. It is beautiful. When you walk in, it feels homey. You know, it's all these warm blues and it's comfortable. It doesn't feel like a doctor's office with white walls and plastic furniture and, you know, a place that you really don't want to open up. You know, you walk into an office and you want to take a nap on the couch. It's so comforting. And the therapists are the exact same way. You know, we have a therapist for every possible disorder you could think of, because we want to make sure that we have a therapist to match you and your needs and meet you where you are in your mental health journey.
That's the thing. I mean, I've gone to a therapist before and I did not feel a match. Yeah. Sometimes you got to shop around, so it's nice to know that. But what are the future plans for Ellie Mental Health in Jacksonville specifically?
We're really, really excited. So our first facility we just opened in September. You can call today, get an appointment tomorrow if you want to, but we are looking to expand across Jacksonville, possibly 4 locations in the next couple of years. Maybe the next one around May. We're crossing our fingers, so we're definitely trying to grow.
Yeah, good luck with that, and congratulations too.
Thank you.
I mean, like I was saying at the intro of this is becoming a little bit more of something that people are willing to talk about, less of a stigma. So yeah, I think we need more of those places, right?
Absolutely.
Is there anything else you'd like to add though before we go?
Yeah, I mean, so seasonal depression is a huge thing. Oh yeah. With the holidays around the corner, I think a lot of people think that it has to be the most wonderful time of the year, but for a lot of people it's really not. So I just encourage people to make a phone call now before the holidays, get a chance to talk, get some things out before you have to meet with the family and do all of the things, so that way you're not, you know, waiting after New Year's and then trying to make your plans then. Go ahead and make that phone call today. You know, talk through things now before the holidays.
A lot of times we want to take care of the other versus ourselves, and just like they say on the airlines, put your mask on before you help someone else. You got to make sure you're good before you can cater to the rest of the family or your friends. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. And if you'd like to see this segment again, just head to our website at firstcoastliving.net.